Check out these two professional carpet and upholstery cleaners from KARCHER. The KARCHER deep extraction cleaners are really easy to use. Warm, clean water goes in and dirty water comes out for a deep, clean finish. And make sure you stick around because I'm going to show you just how easily it cleans up this gnarly little mess I've made later in the video. Now both these cleaners are professional units, but there's a couple of notable differences between them. The Puzzi 10x1 has a larger capacity tank and greater airflow. It's also got this wider floor attachment and extensions as well, giving it greater versatility and making it more of an all-rounder unit. Cool thing about this floor attachment that comes with the 10x1 is that it maintains contact with the floor even as your angle changes. And despite the smaller Puzzi 8x1 not having that floor attachment with it as standard, its smaller, more compact size makes it highly mobile, making it great for doing car upholsteries or home and office furniture. To improve the mobility of the 10x1, they've got the larger wheels on the back as well as the handle up on top as well, so you can still get it where you need it. To use the cleaner, fill it with warm water, and KARCHER recommends you use some of their concentrate. They can give you a couple of tablets to get you started with the unit. What's really nice is the clear windows throughout the tool, so you can see the amount of water being drawn through your carpet or upholstery while you're cleaning. And when you empty that waste tank, you really see how much dirt it removes. Now, the Puzzi 10x1 is capable of cleaning up to 25 square meters per hour, while the 8x1 will clean up to 18 square meters per hour. And as you can see, the disaster I made earlier with some coffee milk and some tomato sauce that I rubbed into the carpet, it comes out on 2 passes without leaving any trace or smell. They're both really nice units, and you'll find more info on either of them at cindytools.com.au, or you can check them out in store while you're checking out the whole KARCHER range. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Cindy Tools TV.